Alright, so I've been working on this car this morning. I got the yellow intake, colder intake now by 8 a.m. Put a sleeve and a shield so air will just come sucking from this side to protect it from hydroplaning. Then we did the whole chrome tape or gold tape all the way through. So I'm going to start trimming these carbon to clear the tower bar. And then I'll run a trim along the side to take care of what I use the Dremel to take off. So show you how I ran this. Intake is for a 05. So I can use this sensor for, I'm not sure what it's called, but it clips basically on the intake there. And I had to kind of rig it to where it sits here, but carbon fiber will do its job and hide it. But if you look, then you'll still see the yellow intake, so it plays off well. I just need to get I don't want the black carbon that goes here. I want the carbon Kevlar to play off with the yellow. So if anybody knows anyone selling the carbon Kevlar by Jitting Password, I know it's a discontinued part, but they're willing to part. Tell them I need it and let's make a deal. So let me get trimming and get this going. But yeah, I'm digging how the intake came out. So sounds good too. All right, let me get this going. So I've been struggling with this, trying to figure out the piece that goes here, how to disconnect from here. You just gotta press until it pops out, but I got it swapped out. So first one, I got a chrome handle finally. So everything is working. So we're good. Keep going. This shit is hot and this shit is annoying. But I gotta get ready for tomorrow because I'm heading to Fresno for a Scion meet. And I'm gonna be wrapping this. So I gotta wrap this before I put this door back on. There we go, fuck. Yeah, this is not holding well. It's just not good for it. It's from the dollar store. Very, very thin. I was hoping it would work, but I'm gonna have to just keep my eyes out and get this whole unit, get the chrome one. Oh well. Well, keep going. Fucking sucks. I'm dying here. It's hella hot. Alright, so messed up the damn door locks when trying to install the chrome handles. It was like one thing after another. Damn bolts were seized. Then the mechanisms in the back, I had to add a bolt, washer, and nut, and still the back doors won't open unless you open it from the inside door. So I got to figure out something how to get that working. And then also the damn, what is it? Is it the passenger door? They want to use the automatic door locks. They are not unlocking. I have to use the key to unlock it. So, got to go get a driver's side door because I had the whole thing taken apart. So now it's not even there. I had the door literally taped shut. Luckily I can still put the alarm on, but yeah, it was just one thing after another. So missed out on the Fresno meet for a Scion meet. Now I'm heading to the junkyard to get the parts, and I haven't drove in the queue in so long that it's actually really nice. So this all-wheel drive Q50, they're fun. But like I said, I like driving the XB. It's just it's a different type of feel. So heading to the junkyard, let's go get this part and then install it, and then hopefully everything's all right because I would like to work overtime tomorrow, which will be Sunday. So trying to get my 6 days in and hit that 70 hours for the week, because the following Saturday I got the approval to be in the car show for a Super Drive in Sacramento. So gotta get the fucking car done. So gotta make sure everything is up to standard tired so I can show up and show out with that car. So I gotta install the car part or the carbon still. I gotta trim it. It was just every day was just bad. It was not going good. So everything was messing up. So I got an ambulance to pull over. But yeah, so alright, I'll see you guys at the junkyard. Let's get this going. Alright, so I found a release series. This is a 2.0. Got it already, but this is the part I needed. And this is the only one out of 4 of them here that is in good condition. I got lucky again, so it's nice putting some more release series into the car. Wish they had the release series badge because I like collecting those and putting that in my toolbox. Interior, just dirt. I mean, but interior here is here. And I do like the yellow, but I'm gonna go leather interior, so. I wonder if I should grab this speaker because I do need them. Nah, let me get, I don't know. Fuck, I'm tired. This sucks. I'm not even gonna walk the yard, guys. I just gotta get home, get this going so I can get to work because I would like to work some overtime tomorrow because it's my wife's birthday coming up and I need to take her out. And someone left some coil packs from this car, so we're taking those. So, alright. Let's get the hell out of here. Got it. Got to practice on how to take this apart, so that helped. Gotcha. I kind of want to take this out cover just so I can polish one. Ooh, side skirts. These series side skirts, someone needs it. I'm gonna go look around. I wanna actually, Pokemon cards. Who we got? Anything good? Alright, let me go in. I'm gonna look for a Sentra. See if I can get lucky and find some Gizmo parts. Then I'm out of here. So, trash. Needs to be my old tagging name. Alright. Alright, back home. Picked up a spoiler for my buddy who bought my old Civic. So got this. Thought I was going to be able to swap these out, but that's actually the part I broke, so can't. So had to get the whole unit. It is very easy now that I've been playing with this, how to install. And oh, shit, this goes to that. There we go. So we don't need that. But yeah, so I'm gonna just bolt this all back into play, connect it, be good to go, put the door panel on, do the carbon fiber hood engine covers, and then I heard some rubbing from the hard flap over here. I think this is hitting, so I'm gonna have to do something because of the intake. I'm gonna take off this bumper. Gonna have to figure, because this is hitting, yeah. It's pushing it close to that, so I'm gonna have to, maybe I'll zip tie something here and pull it onto the piping, because this is rubbing. I know one of these tires, I gotta have some camber wear. Oh yeah, I need a new tire. Fuck. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna need new front tires. I'm gonna have to buy those. Then we'll swap all this. And then I need to get the welder out. We weld here on the inside, and then I'll plastic weld this one. Get this hole back. So I'm gonna do that work. Then I added a little chrome trimming on the front just to give it some look. But yeah, alright, let me knock this out. I'm not going to show how to install it. It's basically, well, let me explain it. Pop this out. This takes the guides, which is this piece here. Slide that back. This can loop inside. Bolt everything back on. Bolt the guide back on. Bolt the sides in. Connect the arms. And the door works. So very simple. I'll put it in and explain it once I get everything back together, because I want to get this done. I got to go to work and I want to sign up for overtime tomorrow. I was in the zone. So everything's back. Works. Just my automatic door locks aren't working. So when I just the backs, I don't know why. Fronts are not working, they're not reading. But yeah, so kind of was in the zone. Signed up for overtime for tomorrow. And then my parts came in for the keychains for the bento box, so I gotta put those together tonight. Finish this, I can put that back on. And then I'm going to finish cutting this, so I'll put this on as well. So I'm trying to get everything done before I gotta leave for work in the morning. So I'm gonna knock this out. He wants to play fetch. Go get it. Let me get started. Alright, so first one done. Had to overcut to clear it. I'm gonna be running that chrome trim over here and then run it around. So give it that style. I haven't even checked if the hood will close. Let me double check all that. So I gotta do this side. Finally using the GM password I had for like a year. Let me see if it will close. Ugh. Yep, we're good. All right, let me get started on the next one. All right, so that's on. Trim this one. This one is kind of good, but what I have is the self-start. So I'm gonna have to drill or tap, make a hole for that. And I don't have sriracha, so if you know the sriracha trick, then you know how we're gonna mark this. So if you don't have sriracha, we're going to use a ketchup packet, which is somewhere. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, it's in my pocket. So we're gonna use a ketchup packet. So, all right, let me do that now. Go. And a perfect hole. And that's the trick on how to mark your drill points. So let me get started. Before I forget to close out the video, we're all done. Everything is on. I'm over here getting water. Oh yeah. Once I get the trim, it'll clean up the sides and make everything pop. Yep, here we go. And I'll see you in another one. Peace.